Hi, I am Orshi and this is PG, and we are one of Kiwi.com's World Travel Hacker Duos. Over the next 4 weeks, we are going to be traveling to at least 6 different countries and saving as much money as we can.
Kiwi.com gave us 10,000 euros, but we only intend on spending 3,000 euros,
including our flights.
How can we do this and not go over budget?
We can do this by planning everything meticulously.
Our transportation budget is 1,200 euros in total. Since it is high season, we need to secure cheaper flights.
Kiwi.com has this awesome feature called Price Lock. We use this to lock the price of our first flight, and the amount we paid will be deducted from the final price of the ticket.
So far, we know that we are going to visit 3 European countries, and then we fly from Spain to Brazil.
We have spent hours looking at flights to South America, but finally we found a bargain on Kiwi.com.
We used our Visa card to book this 420 euro flight, and this price even includes a carry-on and a personal luggage. What a win, guys! As for the rest of our trip, we are going to strictly monitor our budget.
We have set aside 50 euros a day for any transportation, accommodation or food costs.
Spend like a local is our motto when it comes to accommodation and food.
Whenever we travel, we try to eat where the locals eat, take public transit, and get any bargains we can on accommodation.
We even made our own spreadsheet so we can monitor our expenses. We intend to visit the most famous places in South America, as well as get off the beaten path to show you what we can achieve on a strict budget. Cultural events are something that we like to immerse ourselves in, so be ready to see us in ponchos, learning how to salsa, and taking cooking classes in all the countries we visit.
Now that you know where we're going, let me show you what I'm packing for our trip. So we always travel with a 40-liter backpack because this way we don't have to pay for any extra cost. And we don't fill it completely because we always want to buy things where we're going. Souvenirs, clothes for ourselves, whatever. We love this bag because it has so many compartments that we would need, and it also opens up like a suitcase. Here at the top is an awesome handy pocket where we put our things that we could need any moment. For example, tea. We also have some sunglasses, or sometimes we put our passports in here if we are in a safe place. But it also has an inside pocket, which is great for things that you want to keep safe. And then for the big compartment, it opens up like a suitcase, so you can just pack everything in and take things out really easily. It also has a shoe pocket, which is very useful. So first things first, I will wear my sneakers on the plane, and then I bring an extra pair of sandals with me always. I am taking packing cubes. This is how we organize all our clothes. I just have 3 of them. Ta-da! I cannot express enough how much we upped our game when we started using packing cubes instead of just throwing everything in our bag. It keeps everything organized and it saves so much space. Next, we have our warm clothes. So we are going to South America, which means the temperature can vary. So we have to bring warm clothes and also summer clothes. So we have a couple of useful clothes for when it's cold, such as we both bring thermal clothes with us, so we can wear it underneath anything if it gets really cold. Thermal shirt, thermal pants, and then also a fleece sweater. So those are the only warm clothes that I am bringing. As well as we are bringing rain jackets. Also, we are bringing a safari hat each. This can come in handy anywhere in the jungle, in the desert, in the hot sun, wherever. Next, we have big packing cube, which has all my outfits. So I am bringing 3 to 4 outfits. So 1 romper, 1 dress, 2 shirts, 2 pairs of shorts, and this will hold me every week until we do laundry. I'm also going to take 1 pair of pajamas and 1 outfit of activewear for whatever we need for hot weather, and then we have a separate outfit of activewear for cold weather. Next, we have 5 pairs of socks and underwear and swimsuits in here, and that's all the clothes that I will be bringing. For our toiletries, we try to take environmentally friendly products such as bars of shampoo, conditioner bars, or even bars of soap. These things save us a lot of space in our luggage. They don't count towards your liquid allowance, and also they just last a much longer time. Another thing that's really good for the environment that we take with us is our filtered water bottles. So these actually filter 99.9% of the bacteria, so we don't have to buy bottled water anywhere we go. You just put the water in here and it's safe to drink wherever you go. Lastly, we have our fanny packs. So in my fanny pack I keep obviously my phone charger, hand sanitizer, our passports, and my wallet. This we keep always hanging in the front, so all our belongings, all our important valuables are safe with us. This was it for our packing, but in the next video we are going to be in Palma de Mallorca, where we're going to spend a 24-hour layover, and we will also have a Euro challenge. So keep watching and subscribe to Kiwi.com.